Hello everyone, you are welcome to this class. So this is the correction to fractions questions. So we have the first question here. We have find the equivalent fractions of 7 over 8, 7 over 8 with denominator 80. That is, we are looking for a fraction that will be equals to this 7 over 8, and that fraction we have denominator of what? 80. So that is what it means. So we're looking for this box C. So the first thing we need to do, we need to determine what is multiplied by 8 to get 80. So that we can also multiply by 7 to get what we're going to have inside the box. So that means we're going to say 80 divided by what? 8. So which will give us what? 10. So which means that 7 will be multiplied by what? 10. That gives us 70. So this 8 is multiplied by 10. So also 7 must also be multiplied by 10 to get what? The same thing. For these fractions to be equivalent. So that answer is 70 over 80, which is equal to 70 over 80, and that is option B. Option B. So question number 2 now. So the question says find the equivalent fraction of 24 divided by 88 with the denominator 3, with the numerator 3. So that means the numerator is going to be 3 all over. We don't know the numerator of this. So which means you can see from 24 to 3 that it has been reduced. So because it's a fraction, we cannot add. So it's either we multiply or we divide. So this means that this 24 is divided by a number to get 3. So in that case, we're going to say 24 divided by 3. So this will give us what? 8. So that means 24 is divided by 3. So also, it's 8 must also be divided by this 8 here, not 3. This 8 divided by what? By 8. And that gives us 11. So the fraction will then be 3 all over 11. So which means 3 all over 11 is equivalent to 24 all over 11. And that is option A. I hope this is very clear. Okay. Therefore, question number 3. For number 3. Okay, for number 3, we have this. Uh, find the missing number. So you have to be very careful with this. We have 5 all over 6 equals to a box divided by 18, or it equals to 25 divided by box, and it equals to box divided by 48. So we're going to be doing it one by one. So we're going to consider the first two because the first fraction is complete. Alright, so we're going to look for what number we take for the first one. So it's going to be 18. What something is multiplied by this 6 to get 18. That's we're going to divide it. So 18 divided by 6, and that's going to give us 3. So which means 6 times 3 is 18. Therefore, it will be 5 times 3, which will give us 15. So which means 15 will be inside this place. Alright, so we compare the next one, this one again. We make use of 5 over 6 again. So this is the first part. Second by 5 over 6, and then 25 over what? Over box. So we're going to check for this as well now. So which means 5 over 6. So that means something is multiplied by 5 to get 25. That is 25 divided by 5. That gives us 5. So in that case, 6 is also multiplied by 5. That gives us 30. So which means this will be what? 30. So this is going to be 25 over what? Over 30. While the first one is the first one is 15 over 18. 15 over 18. So let's take note of that. So the next one, this is the third one. We're going to have 5 over 6 equals to this over 48. So we do the same thing. find out the same thing. So that means, so we're going to say 48 divided by 6. So 48 divided by 6 gives 8. So that means 8. So which means 6 is multiplied by 8. So therefore this is also multiplied by 8. So therefore we say 5 times 8, which is equal to 40. So the fraction here is 40 all over 48. So our answer now, so 40 over 48, 25 over 25 over 30, 25 over 30, right? And then the last one, the first one, we got 15 over 18, 15 over 18, 25 over 30, 40 over 48. So let's look at that again. The first one, 15, 15 over 18 equals to 25 over 30, and the last one is 40, 40 over 48. So which one gives us 5 over 6, 15 over 18, 25 over 30, 40 over, that's option C. So the answer here is option C. So move to the next one. Question number 4 now. For question number 4, express 91 over 2 as a mixed number. 91 divided by 2. So we're going to divide, to use 2 to divide 91. So 2 in 9, that is 4. It remains 1. So that gives 11. I hope I'm making sense. So the 1 remains, that remains when you divide 9 by 2, will be 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 divided by 2, that gives 5, which is also remaining 1 all over 2. That is 45 whole number, 1 all over 2, and that is option B as well. Then go to question number 5 now. For question number 5, reduce 150 divided by 175 to its simplest form. We want to reduce this one to its simplest form. So what can divide then? So 5 can divide on 50, 5 can also divide on 75. Let's use 5 first. So 5 divided by 15 is 3. That is 30. 5 divided by 17 is also 3. Remainder 2. 5 and 25 is what? 5. 5 can still grow. 5 can still go. 5 and 30, that is 6. 5 and 35 is what? 7. So this means it is 6 over 7. That is option A. So let's go to question number 6. Question number 6. For question 6, we have expressed 7 whole number 8 over 9 as an improper fraction. So the rule is that we multiply the whole number by the denominator. We then add the denominator plus divided by the denominator. So that is how we're going to do it. So 7 times 9 is 63 plus 8 divided by what? 9. So 63 plus 8 is 71 divided by what? 9. I hope that is very clear. So that is option B. Option B. Then move to question number 7 now. Question 7, we have a fraction is defined as half of a whole, 2/3 of a whole, part of a whole, 1/5 of a whole. So when you have a whole, you now cut this whole into, let's say, 4 equal parts. So when you bring out these shaded parts, it is 1 out of what? 4 division. So this is a fraction. It is a part of a whole. Understand? So the answer is option C there. It is a part of a whole. That's a fraction. So the number at the top is called, that's numerator. This is straightforward. Right. While question 9, um, if the numerator is more than the denominator, the fraction is said to be numerator is more than denominator. Let's say like 5 over 2. So what type of fraction is this? This is called improper fraction. Improper fraction. When the numerator is more than the denominator, we call it what? Improper fraction. And the last question we have here, so we have number 10, that equivalent fractions are equal. Is that true or false? So equivalent fractions are always equal. We've demonstrated that. So the answer is what? True. So equivalent fractions are what? Equal. So that is that on this video. So we'll meet in our next video. Bye.